Hello friends, very good morning. Let's deal with the words of day 67. Hope you must be consistent with revision of your words. First, the questions of 66th day. Tad, small amount, glut, big amount, piles, big amount, might, small amount. So, tad, opposite piles, glut, opposite might. Legislate to make a rule, rescind to revoke, annul, repeal, rescind, revoke, समाप्त कर देना कानून नियम को, annul समाप्त कर देना, and ratify to approve it, to make it valid. Even the stacks of evidence, stack, big amount of evidence produced in the court could not convince it, the court, to revoke the sentence passed against the accused. जो accused के खिलाफ जो sentence means जो सजा दिया गया था वो कोर्ट रिवोक नहीं किया, मतलब उसको समाप्त नहीं किया, चाहे एविडेंस कितना भी ज्यादा दिया गया. True? Now look at the statement number B, quite an interesting one. If you found the statement disconnected, quite a nice attempt. Otherwise, just look at this explanation. The opposition staged a demonstration. उन्होंने एक demonstration किया, प्रदर्शन किया. To enforce the government, enforce never means to compel somebody. It never means to compel somebody. Enforce means to put a rule or a law into practice. Implement. Now look at this. To abrogate the bill. बिल को खत्म करने के लिए ऑपोजिशन ने स्टेज किया, बट इन्फोर्स करना, उनको लागू करना गवर्नमेंट को, दैट मेक्स द सेंटेंस डिस्कनेक्टेड. Even a speck of distrust, छोटी मात्रा भी अविश्वास की, is enough to spoil the loads of promises. आप कितना भी प्रॉमिस कर लो, छोटा सा विश्वास आएगा, सब बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Very true. The public wants to know what transpired in the meeting, what happened in the meeting that forced the government to effect the reshuffle of the cabinet. Effect means to execute, to carry out. क्यों ऐसा हुआ कि उन्होंने कैबिनेट को रिशफल कर दिया? मीटिंग में क्या हुआ था, घटित हुआ था? That is true. The character depicted in the film, जो कैरेक्टर फिल्म में डिपिक्ट किया, चित्रित किया गया है, has not even an iota of similarity. उसमें सिमिलैरिटी की बहुत छोटी मात्रा भी नहीं है विथ आवर लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंस. हम जो अनुभव जीने के साथ अपना अनुभव जो हमको मिलता है उससे किसी भी मात्रा में कोई सिमिलैरिटी नहीं है. सो द सेंटेंस इज क्वाइट ट्रू. Now today's words. Again, let's see. Abash. To make somebody embarrass. Embarrass, किसी को शर्मिंदा कर देना. That is why the word, its noun is abashment. Abate, the word has come previously also. किसी चीज का कम पड़ना, धीरे धीरे कम होना. Aggravate, किसी चीज का उग्र होना या ज्यादा होना. एजिटेट, एग्रेवेट वाले मीनिंग में आ सकता है, और भड़कना किसी का, प्रोवोक के सेंस में. अल्ले, किसी को शांत करना. सो एग्रेवेट, किसी को नाराज कर देना बहुत ज्यादा. अल्ले, किसी के गुस्से को शांत करना. ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स आर देयर. अल्ले, assuage, both are similar in meaning. See, contain has got two meanings. Container, one word is there, to hold something. It contains this. And contain का एक और मतलब होता है to restrain, कंट्रोल में रखना. एक मीनिंग होता है hold, कंटेनर जिससे बना हुआ है. The word contain means This bottle contains 30 tablets. इस bottle में है. And one, you should contain your anger, control your anger. So contain has got two meanings. Deny, देने का opposite. Discipline, let's see किस meaning में use हुआ है. Discomfit has got a very good word. Abash, synonym are there. किसी को शर्मिंदा कर देना. इसका नाउन बनता है discomfiture, T-U-R-E. T-U-R-E becomes a noun, discomfit is a verb. Embarrass, discomfit, abash. Enrage, किसी को गुस्सा दिला देना. शांत करने का उल्टा किसी को गुस्सा दिला देना. Exasperate also means to enrage somebody. Exasperate means किसी को गुस्सा दिला देना. Fester, a very good word. जब घाव आदि यानी wound, if it deteriorates, अगर वो और गहरा हो जाता है और वो खराब हो जाता है तो it festers. It is festering. Humiliate, embarrass के सेंस में. Incense, enrage के सेंस में किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना. The word has come previously also, twice or thrice. Indulge, किसी चीज में शामिल होना. Inflame, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाने के सेंस में. Infuriate has got the similar meaning, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना. So today's list contains good words of गुस्सा दिलाना और उसके गुस्से को शांत करना. It contains some good words. Irk also, the word has come. I remember distinctly that irk, infuriate, inflame, all these words have figured previously also. गुस्सा दिलाना किसी को. Irritate also. Luxuriate in, अपने को नियंत्रण करने का उल्टा, किसी चीज में एकदम शामिल हो जाना, किसी चीज में बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब खर्चे में, enjoyment में. If I am luxuriating in something, I am indulging in that activity excessively. I am indulged in that activity quite a lot. Luxuriate in. Luxurious का उसका verb. Mollify, now शांत करना. Assuage, allay, भड़काने का उल्टा. Mortification is abashment, discomfit. मतलब वो शर्मिंदगी. Mortified, शर्मिंदा. Mortify उसी से बना हुआ वर्ड है. Mortifying, शर्मिंदा करने वाला. Nettle, that also means to irk, incense, a new word. किसी को नाराज कर देना, गुस्सा दिला देना. Outrage also, provoke also, गुस्सा दिलाने के सेंस में. Quell, शांत करना. Mollify, assuage, similar meaning. Quell, शांत करना. Rankle, that is nettle, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना. Rankle has got two meanings and both the meanings have come over here. One means to make somebody angry quite a lot and second meaning fester, किसी घाव का और बदतर हो जाना. Relish, to enjoy something, that is luxuriate in. Restrain, that is control करना अपने को. Revel in, that is luxuriate in, similar in the meaning. Rile also has got the similar meaning, to make somebody excessively angry. Rouse also similar meaning, to aggravate. Subdue, that is किसी चीज को दबाना, कंट्रोल करने के सेंस में, उसका दमन करना, दबाने के सेंस में. Suppurate has got the similar meaning of that is fester, rankle, घाव का सड़ना और खराब हो जाना. Ulcerate also has come from ulcer. Ulcerate, suppurate, rankle, fester, all these means किसी घाव का और सड़ जाना, खराब हो जाना. Vex, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाने के सेंस में. Wane is abate, धीरे धीरे कम पड़ना. The word has come. Wither also, मुरझाने के सेंस में, कम पड़ने के सेंस में, wither. So wither, wane and abate, similar in the category. Now look at the word that we are doing. Allay, to pacify, fear, doubt, whatever, किसी चीज को शांत करने के सेंस में. Synonym: assuage, abate, quell, wen, mollify. Sorry, शांत करना. And now look at this, किसी को नाराज करना, गुस्सा दिलाना, भड़काना. How many words are there? Don't worry. These words have come to you again and again and again. What happens that once we see these many words, we become frustrated that we have to remember these words again. If there are good many words, they may be figuring repeatedly. Look at this. Irritate, you already know. Vex, new. Exasperate, incense, infuriate, enrage, inflame, rile, rouse, irk, provoke, nettle, outrage, agitate, rankle, aggravate. Most of the words you are at this stage, you are revising these words because these words have figured previously also. And this is the beauty of doing a few words with a big expanse of their synonyms and antonyms. Another word is mortify. Mortified adjective, mortification noun, mortifying another adjective. Meaning, first, to cause someone to feel embarrassed. किसी को शर्मिंदा कर देना. Embarrass, humiliate, abash, discomfit, and wither. Wither has got the two meanings. Second meaning, to control physical desires by discipline. I'm feeling a desire of something, but I'm controlling it. That is containing it. Contain, restrain, discipline, subdue, and deny. जो चीज डिमांड में है, मतलब मांग हो रही है, I'm denying it. And डिनाई नहीं कर रहा हूं, अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहा हूं, उसमें मैं लिप्त हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा I'm involved in there. That I'm indulging, luxuriate in, revel in, or relish. I'm enjoying that quite a lot. Third meaning, to be affected by gangrene. Look at this. The word does not have any synonym or antonym scope, but the word can be asked in spelling mistake. Gangrene एक ऐसा घाव जो बदतर स्थिति में हो, पुराना हो, सड़ने लगे. That is called gangrene. Suppurate, ulcerate, rankle, and fester. This rankle, one which is affected by gangrene, and this rankle, I told you, to provoke somebody. So, rankle has been used twice in two different meanings. Luckily, both the words were over here. So, today you got a good many words, quite a bit of words for to make somebody angry. Revise it seriously so that they do not get out of your mind. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourselves. Thank you then.